2.67 Powerstroke diesel, and this truck has p2074 manifold absolute pressure fault code. And in this video I will show you what you have to check first before you will start doing any troubleshooting is your map sensor. Let's unplug it. As you can see, this is a 3 wires design for type sensor, and yep, we have a ground, we have a signal, and we have a 5 volts reference, but we're not going to check the circuit. We're going after another most common cause, but I will make another video how to check the circuit, what you have to look for, but this is more complicated and we're going to do the simple checks with no any specialty tools. Okay, 7mm socket. Let's remove the sensor, and you will see why you're getting that p2074 main code and some turbocharger boost codes related to this code as well, and there are secondary codes. Okay, bolt is out. Let's pull the sensor out, and yeah, just we'll look inside. Okay, see around the sensor hole on a sensor is a soot, lots of buildup, black ash, and if you looked inside, it's plugged up completely almost. That's why you're getting that code. And yeah, I'm going simply cleaning that hole, and yeah, when I'm doing the editing, it's already almost a half a year passed by, and we put thousands of kilometers on the truck, and none of those manifold absolute pressure sensor related codes came back. But I have a replacement part as well, and I will clean and save my old sensor, and most likely I might just use it and keep it as a spare. And yeah, if you don't have a replacement part, you can use your old one. It might work, but we'll make another video how to test the sensor, how to troubleshoot and test the circuit. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. If you like it, if it's helpful, thumbs up. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, very appreciated that. And always look for simple, easiest things you can check before you will get too far deep into the problem and troubleshooting. Yeah, and yeah, pretty easy. Okay guys, thank you so much guys for watching, appreciated your time, take care, and see you soon. Yeah, I plugged it in sensor and we're good to go.